So at first, being paired with engineers was difficult. They use different paradigms than anthropologists. They have different models of seeing the world. They have different methods. They have different vocabulary. And many of them are taller than I am.
Engineers have brains that are kind of like waffles, so that we're all compartmentalized. Syrup gets into one spot, and then it flows over into the other spot, and so that's how we think of problems. The anthropologists have brains like spaghetti. We don't, one strand of spaghetti starts here, and then there's a big mass and mingle, and then here it is over here.
So it took some learning about how to communicate, some listening to their ideas and their words, and beginning to trust them and really find how interesting they were.
So I'm co-principal investigator on 2 large National Science Foundation grants. One is the Partnerships for International Research and Education.
So the project is really about training researchers, which includes our graduate students, and we sort of focus at this, water, energy, nutrient nexus in various countries around the world.
In both anthropology and engineering and other disciplines to work together on large international kinds of development projects.
Engineering and anthropology work together because engineering is the structural part and anthropology is the culturally context sensitive. And the idea is to bring these 2 domains together to create culturally sensitive, structurally sound, sustainable projects. And you can't do that without not only engineering and anthropology, but particularly coming together in the community.
We quite often have good intentions when we go out and we try to find solutions to community's problems. And we go into it really desperately wanting to help people, but if we don't consider all aspects of the community, then quite often those solutions don't work.
And so if we can look at, as engineers, people not just as kind of the end product, but also as the stewards of the infrastructure that we're putting in, then we're moving forward.
Also, anthropologists, I think, have to look at their work in slightly more concrete terms. And so not everything can be a research question. Sometimes you have to actually provide solutions to some of these contexts.
I think the students are, of course, the next generation. We can talk about what we've learned and what we would like other people to learn, but it's the students and the members of the communities who are either going to use or not use some of these ideas.